Grit has always created havoc with wastewater machinery. Its removal from the influent has always been desirable, but with developments in biogas production from waste and incineration and other processes, the removal of grit from the inlet has become absolutely essential. Traditional detritus-based systems have featured a mechanical crank arm attached to a rake. EMS has superseded this design with a simpler, cheaper, easier to maintain design that features two or more hydraulically actuated scissor lifts to raise and lower the rake, and a single hydraulic actuator to push the rake up the sloping ramp for grit drainage and discharge. The galvanized rake assembly is suspended from two or more scissor lifts. Each scissor lift features a travelling bogie running on wheels inside the arms of the scissor lift. The opening and closing of the scissor lifts generates the raising and lowering of the galvanized rake into the grit bed to drag it forward for draining and discharge. The stroke of the Hydrake is approximately 900 mm. As with the traditional grit rake, the grit is allowed to tumble back and forth as the rake cycles to endeavour to remove the organics. The action of the Hydrake slowly pushes the grit forward, clear of the waterline, to allow it to drain and subsequently discharge into a skip. The fulcrum point of the scissor lift features standard, off-the-shelf plumber block bearing assemblies. The central shaft supporting the scissor lifts in the plumber block bearings is standard 80 mm bright bar, which is readily available. The scissor arms and bogie wheels are sourced from the same steel channel and the same wheels that are used in forklift truck masts, which ensures a very long lifespan for the scissor assembly. The hydraulic power unit is a very simple, basic design, operating at quite a low pressure for an hydraulic system, typically 40 bar. The movements of the scissor lifts and discharge actuator are controlled by solenoid-operated directional valves. The speed of the raise and lower movements of the rake and of the discharge cylinder are controlled by hydraulic needle valves, which offer very fine adjustments to achieve the optimum process speeds. The electrical control panel features a small PLC and HMI that provide unlimited opportunity for timed operation of the Hydrake. The complete Hydrake drive, scissor assemblies and control panel are factory built onto a flat skid frame, ensuring minimal installation time on site, typically 2 days. This arrangement also lends itself well to retrofitting into existing grit rake civil structures, as the Hydrake can be factory built to suit any size.